Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below before we begin. And as always, I hope you had a very happy new year and I hope that things are going well for you in the crypto markets. So, just taking a look at VECHAIN here. I haven't looked at VECHAIN in a little while because I have had a little break over Christmas. But as we can see, VECHAIN has been doing very well, basically over the past few months. After coming down and retesting that low yet again of that big range that we did find ourselves in for a long time, VECHAIN recently broke through its range, making a local swing high of just under 3.9 cents, which is really good to see after we were, barely able to pick ourselves up off that 1.5 cent level just a few months ago. So you can see how quickly things can turn around in crypto. You can see we're heading up and approaching that level that I did want to see us testing, which was that bear market resistance. You can see the resistance was formed here, and really we are getting quite close to that area now in my opinion. And it's pretty much sitting at around 4 cents right now, which happens to be also a psychological level. Also coinciding with that one of these previous bull market supports as resistance. So clearly a big area of potentially swinging into a bull market here for VECHAIN, heading up into this area. You can see we've got the fib resistance, this bear market resistance, and also that previous support as resistance as well. So getting into this area here and testing it will definitely be a big priority for VECHAIN going forward. It does need to get up into that area and at least test it before getting a pullback in my opinion. But you can see we have started to consolidate and lose a bit of momentum over the past week or so, after VECHAIN has basically just been tearing to the upside in pretty much a that hockey stick formation that a lot of people talk about in bull markets, where you do start to get parabolic like this and then you can get a decent correction to the downside once things do start to sell off. But you can see here the main thing for me is that we have actually broken out of this very almost 2-year long resistance at the top of this range, which was sitting at around anywhere from around 3 to 3.2 cents. And you can see we've kind of come up and back tested it, and right now we're in this area between the bear market resistance and that previous resistance as support. So we could see ourselves grinding around in this area for a little while. But overall, VECHAIN looking like it's finally starting to pick up off those lows, and with Bitcoin at around 45.5k today, making a new local swing high, it does seem like some capital will rotate into these cryptos and continue to the upside going forward. And I really do think that this is going to do very well going into the next bull run. We could easily see VECHAIN getting up above its previous all-time high at around 30 cents, probably heading up towards that fabled $1 level and maybe even beyond that, depending on how much capital does flow into the crypto space and how parabolic some of these cryptos get. So overall, this is looking really good in my opinion. I do think we're going to see ourselves with some more upside for VECHAIN soon. My target to the upside is obviously that 4 cent level, as I've previously explained. And if we do see ourselves having a bit of a pullback, I'd expect that we probably want to come down and retest this area down at around 3.2 cents there, before we do see ourselves bouncing to the upside and continuing like this. Or maybe even if we do have a deeper correction in the whole market, you could see another back test, as we saw before, of that 0.23 Fibonacci. But right now I think VECHAIN looking good, it's consolidating and it's ready for more upside. So that is it for today guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, go sign up to all the amazing bonuses and offers in the description. You'll get tons of free crypto and trading capital, etc. And I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.